Okay guys, this is simple. This time we are trying to clone this IBM laptop as a Oracle virtual machine. So before that, let's try to start it up and see what happened. Okay, before we start, we can look at this old IBM laptop. You can see this is the old-fashioned laptop, the ThinkPad of the old IBM days, and it powered by a Intel Celeron CPU. Recommend running with Windows 98, but I've tried it out with Windows 2000, and look at how small it is. Okay, let's fire it up and see how if it's still working. Well, it took a while to know, so I fast forward the loading screen, but you can see the good old IBM logo here with the ThinkPad. Okay, let's continue. Fast forward again, fast forward again. Okay, we going into the Windows 98 menu with not fancy loading screen, but a good old practical Windows 98. And this is still loading for a while. Okay, now fast forward again. We can see the start screen now. Unfortunately, I only have a Chinese Windows 96 window with it, but it's okay. I load the property from the My Computer, and you can see this is generic IBM laptop load up with a Windows 98 Chinese version. It's the second edition. So the next step will be unplug the hard disk, and we try to clone it to a Oracle virtual machine. Okay, remove the disk from this laptop is pretty easy. You can see I already removed the disk cover at the back. So it's very simple. You just gently unplug the connector like this. Okay, and then afterward we will remove the connector and then connect with an USB cable, and by then we connect to another PC to clone the disk as an image for the Oracle Virtual PC. Okay, now the disk come off from the laptop, and you can see just like a simple IDE hard drive. And there's an IDE to USB cable. Is very handy. I mean, you can get it from every shop in the market. And just align the connector to the correct directions, where about the pins directions, and then you just plug it. But you won't be able to mess it up anyway, so I just plug in, and now I connect to my Acer laptop. Okay, that's easy. Then the next step will be clone the disk to a Oracle virtual machine drive. Okay, now I have connected the disk to the laptop. The first step is to clone the disk as an image, which is the IMG file, quite standard format. The software I use is something called the Data Newman Disk Image software. Well, this software, one of the good thing is it's free. You don't need to pay for that. And so I'll have load the programs, and you can see this software can clone the partitions or to clone the whole drive. And you can see the list. There are different partition drive letters, but this time I want to clone the whole drive. So I select the drive that I just connected through the USB. And the next step is to select the folders that you want to save the file of the image. Let's put it in a temp drive first as a test, and then call it something like an IBM laptop. You can see the file format is just a standard IMG file. Okay, everything's ready. I select my source and put in the destination, and then I start the cloning. Well, because clone for the whole disk take a while, so I just fast forward the procedures, and now it's finished. It took more than 30 minutes, 13 minutes to complete it. Okay, so it's finished. Let's go check it out in the C10 folders. And now you can see that the file is here, over 30 gigabyte. Okay, the next step will be convert this file to the Oracle virtual machine format, and that is also pretty straightforward. And let's try it out. Okay, so now come to the final part of the process. Once I have the image chromed, I need to change the image to the VDI format. So let's go to the command prompt first. It's very easy. And actually, the utility I use is come with the VirtualBox. I have the command template here already. And there are various of functions provided by the VirtualBox Manager. The first one is to change VDI back to other format, but I'm going to use the second one to convert the format from my IMG file to VDI file. It's very handy, so just simply, but the first thing is to change the path to my VirtualBox directory first. Okay, and then it's very simple. I just copy from this template here to the command prompt. Of course, I need to put down the actual source and destination. So the source will be like what we have cloned. It will be a C10. Okay, typo C10 IBM blah blah blah. Okay, and the destination just put it in the same path then. C10. Okay, typo again. And IBM laptop. Okay, that's it. Just press enter. And this process actually take a while to complete it. So I make a fast forward first. Okay, you can see the image already created here now. And okay, it's finished. But actually, it's not that quick. I just shorten the frame here. Okay, the final step is to create the virtual machine and then attach this VDI as a C drive. So it's very simple, and you can see the IBM laptop here. The Oracle VM VirtualBox is come for free, and the version I'm using is quite old because I have tried this version with my various laptops, so I'm a bit reluctant to upgrade. But never mind, just try with your version, should also work. If you look at the version here, it's just a 5.1.2. It's a quite old one. But anyway, let's get started. So I think it's pretty straightforward for Windows 98 PC. I just click New here, type your machine name, IBM laptop again, and then choose your Windows versions, and this one will be Windows 98. Memory, not necessary to select too much of it. Just select something 98 will be used. Okay, so for this part, do you want to create a blank disk drive? No, because I already have my drive created. So I will use my VDI as my hard drive. So I select do not add. Okay, so create it. So in here you can see the setup is quite standard. The first thing I would like to do is to see the storage here. So I click on the storage. Now it's empty because I did not select any drive. I did not select create any drive here. So I highlight the controller IDE and click on add new hard drive. So it prompts up again, asks you if you want to create a new one or use an existing one. As you can see, I already have my VDI, so I just choose existing disk. Okay, very simple. Just select the one we just created. Make sure you go to the path you saved your VDI. Okay, and then open. Then you can see it attached to the IDE controller of this virtual machine. And usually when I try to do a test PC, I will disable the network, especially for old Windows, because when you have network enabled, sometimes it cause some confusion of driver, and you may not able to start your virtual PC. So usually I just disable it first. So let's start this PC now. Okay, just run start it. Okay, you can see this is the loading screen of the Windows 98. Keep loading in, and but you can see it's much faster when you load from a much faster desktop. Of course, when you Chrome the PC to the virtual PC, there will be always a problem that the driver are not compatible, especially for a display driver. For instance, for this time, I just leave it here. There's many way or many methods on the website can show you how to set up a standard old Windows ERSA display. So here I just don't do it now, but let's check it out if this is the same laptop I'm chroming. And you can see that now here, this is the laptop at the beginning of the video. I chromed this as an image and then convert it to a VDI, and now you can see I chrome it and then I make it live in my VirtualBox. Okay, so thank you for watching. This may not be the best way to do that, but hope you can leave a comment if you have a better way, and see you next time. Bye bye.